Okay, so I'm just up on this roof about to insulate it, and I just wanted to point out a couple of things. First of all, these kinks in the sheets here, right, where people have been walking on this. It's unsupported there, and it kinks, right. So you can see there's kinks all the way along here, right, and all the way up here. So these sheets are all kinked at the top. It's not a big deal, but you know, it's just something that I notice. And the other reason why I started the camera is because I was unscrewing these screws, and these two here were already out a little bit. Then I got up to here and it's missing a screw, so I thought, oh well, that screw there is definitely going to be leaking at the moment, so I'll go and check the rest of the roof before I start. So now roof vents kind of look okay, but it's a bit complicated. Over on this side here, there's some flat roof through there that's dropped down from the main roof, right? And there's downlights in there. There's a bit of flat roof across the very front, right, and a couple of downlights in there. There's a raised ceiling through the rest of this main roof, right, that's got a lot of downlights. And then along this side here, just in this last little bit, it's a built-in veranda and it's a raked section. And then from about here across through here, through to the bathrooms, there is all raked, right? And then those bits down there are raked. So it's quite a complex job, quite a bit involved, and very easy for a guy to miss a lot of the little bits that need to be done to do the job right. So anyway, we're going to get in and make sure we do it all and get the job done for the customer.